And I took the liberty of cutting the motor mounts off. You see them down there. And I put the stock headers back on, and we're gonna try to drop this thing in there and see what kind of mess I'm getting into. All right, so what I'm gonna do here is, after measuring, I'm gonna tub this out. So I'm gonna cut, it looks like about 6 inches from the wall here out of my bed. And that's, I'm going to end up cutting around here, probably moving this out 6 inches and then filling in between the fenders, it looks like. Always helps to have a clean bed when you're doing this. All right, well, I'm gonna block that up. All right, so that's about what I'm looking at, where them lines are. And I just cut right along there. Extend this out and then fill in between. So that looks pretty good there. I think that's gonna work. But I will do that a little later. Right now, get this bedpost, get out of my way. Start looking at that drive train.